37, based on your knowledge of group 7 elements and their compounds, which statement is incorrect? So option A, chlorine is a covalent molecule. Now, for group 7 elements, right, they are what we call as diatomic molecules. So di means two. So it means that in one molecule there are two atoms. Okay, that's why you see fluorine is F2, chlorine Cl2, Br2, I2, As2, etc. So covalent compound, right, it's formed between non-metals and non-metals. Okay, and chlorine is ClCl, both of which are non-metals. So yes, it does form a simple covalent compound. Option A is a true statement, it's not your answer. Now for option B, astatine is likely to be a yellow solid. Okay, what's wrong with this statement, right, is the color. So for group 7 elements, okay, one of the physical property is that the color intensity increases down the group. So for fluorine, okay, this is a pale yellow color. For chlorine is pale greenish yellow. Bromine is reddish brown. Iodine is brown. And astatine, right, you would expect to see a black color. Okay, so down the group, it gets darker and darker. So I wouldn't expect to see a yellow solid, I should expect to see a black solid. So option B is an incorrect statement. Then for option C, silver bromide would have a high melting point. So this is linked to chem bonding. Okay, silver bromide, AgBr. This is a metal plus non-metal combination, and it forms an ionic compound. So silver bromide is ionic. Okay, ionic compounds, they have a high melting boiling point. Why, right? It is because of the strong electrostatic forces of attractions between the oppositely charged ions. So therefore, a large amount of energy is required to overcome. So ionic compounds generally have high melting boiling point. So option C is a true statement as well. Then for option D, bromine would displace iodine from a solution of potassium iodide. What's the concept that they are testing on for this, right, is halogen displacement. Halogen displacement works in the same way as metal displacement, whereby a more reactive halogen displaces a less reactive halogen from its salt solution. Okay, so you need to know the reactivity of your group 7 elements. So, okay, I'm going to write here. Down the group, reactivity decreases. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine, right? Fluorine is the most reactive, and astatine would be the least reactive. So now they are comparing between bromine and iodine. So since bromine is more reactive than iodine, okay, bromine can displace iodine from its salt solution of Ki. And if I were to write the chemical equation for this, right, Br2 plus Ki, I will get KBr and I2. So option B is a true statement as well. Okay, so answer for question 37 would be option B.